I'm sure you've heard the news. NIO will not be affected by the tariffs imposed by the United States as they do not source any parts or materials from the United States, and they do not sell cars or advertise in the US market. So, let's break it down. NIO is sold in China and European countries mainly, and so the stock price at this level should be treated as a Black Friday sale. NIO's expenses were all associated with expanding the brand and advertising the new line of more affordable vehicles that tackle a new sector of the EV market. NIO has so far carved out a 40% share of that market. This means NIO should be above $9 per share by the fourth quarter of this year if they stay on the current trajectory. The one-time construction and sourcing expenses with the new line will not be an expense for the upcoming quarters, which will make the sales numbers look more attractive. Keep in mind that when NIO becomes profitable, they will receive a PE ratio, which will drive up the share price. If we look at what happened with NIO's competitor Li Auto, they received a PE ratio of 25 times earnings. If NIO receives the same once it becomes profitable in the fourth quarter of this year, then NIO will be priced above $20 per share if the founder's predictions for profitability hold true. On March 27, 2025, NIO announced an upsized share offering to raise around $450 million by issuing 118.8 million shares at $29.46 each. That's a 14% discount from the previous closing price, and it's all set to close around April 7th. The funds raised will be pumped into research and development, boosting the balance sheet and other general corporate purposes. Now, as expected, this news caused a dip in NIO's stock price, which dropped from $4.50 to $3.99. This kind of reaction isn't unusual. When more shares hit the market, it can lead to a temporary decrease in earnings per share, causing the stock to slide. But here's where it gets interesting. NIO has some exciting new models coming up. The Firefly, which is a premium boutique small car, had its pre-sale start at RMB 148,800 yuan, about $20,390. It's officially launching on April 19, 2025. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. This is Graham Stephan signing off. Happy investing.